Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's up everybody? What's up? Your boy Kelvin Christopher here. And today I'm doing something that I always wanted to do, man. You see that quarry right there? That's the Bendals quarry. And I want to do an FPV drone dive from the top to the bottom, which I think will make an awesome shot. It's do or die time, man. I've been practicing in the simulator. I've been, taking my time and practicing with the drone, but now it's time to do something crazy. Stay tuned. Just to our adventure. Hopefully it takes us to our adventure. Looking at Google Maps right now. To see where this takes us, man. Oh, that's a lovely pond. Nice. We're gonna find the entrance of the quarry because every other place that we went was blocked off. We can't enter. And I want to be able to not lose signal while flying. So I'm slowly making my way across, and I think we're getting to a location that's pretty good. Alright guys, so we just found this spot. It's leading to someone's house, I think, but I'm gonna park right here so I don't block anybody in. And there's an open field, nice open field. but not what I wanted, not what I dreamed about. Let's try that again. Alright, know some of the songs is nice. What you call flow when movements are nice and slow. Bushes, trees, shrubs. Just make sure it's clear. my reaction. I was so nervous, but I came home. I got it home. I did a couple dives, And whoo, that was nerve-wracking. That was nerve-wracking. It's not as bad when you're in lift-off the game in the simulator and you're practicing, and you know you fail and you crash, and you know you just reset. In this situation, if you crash, I probably won't even get the drone back, because that's a hike and there's security and stuff. So I took a risk, and I'm glad I took it, because you guys get to see awesome footage. Look at that, huh? I hope you enjoyed this one. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more FPV videos like this one coming up soon. I'm gonna be exploring my island Antigua with my FPV drone, finding unique locations so other FPV drone pilots can follow and fly in these locations as well and have fun with it. It's actually nice having fun flying drone. Flying is fun again. Yep. Signing out, people. Kelvin Christopher. Peace.